Exploring, connecting, and finding the fun. This is Living East Tennessee Weekend Edition.
Welcome to Living East Tennessee. Well, this time, Weekend Edition. Well, when you grow older, you might want to consider planning for the future, especially when it comes to your assets and estate. And here to share more and how they're helping you with that is Leigh from Vermillion Law. Welcome to the show.
Thank you so much for having me.
Of course. So tell me, what is estate planning to its core?
Okay, estate planning is putting together a plan in place. I like to say a plan A, a plan B, and a plan C to provide for the movement of your assets from your generation to the next, or from you to the charities that are important to you, and also providing for periods of incapacity or disability, because most of us will go through some period of incapacity in our lifetimes, maybe because of a surgery or something like that, an accident, or even something more permanent like dementia or Alzheimer's. And we want to make sure, if we're ever in one of those periods, that we have someone that we've named who can manage our financial assets, who can manage making healthcare decisions for us when we're not able to make those things, those decisions for ourselves.
Hands down, that's so spectacular. And you all are educating people on this very subject for free as well during the week.
Yes, so we do seminars, and they are about an hour and a half long. We do them usually during lunchtime, and we provide lunch too. So it's education and lunch, and it doesn't cost a penny. It's in Knoxville and Maryville. Every week we go to one town or the other, and so we just teach people about wills, trusts, probate, how to deal with periods of incapacity or disability, long-term care planning, Medicaid planning, these types of things. What we found is there is a lot of misinformation out there, and if you do Google searches, if you're a really good Googler, you might find some great information.
Yes,
but
perpetrator.
A lot of times it's incorrect information. It's not correct for Tennessee residents, or it's just outright just will lead you down a very wrong path and cause problems. So we just like for our client relationships to begin with education, so that people come to us as educated consumers rather than just coming to us with all kinds of notions that may not be correct.
Absolutely. And you want someone who cares, and especially when you're going through that and you're going through grief, it's the last thing you want to think about in those moments. Where can people find you all, learn more information, and get signed up for these amazing luncheons that you all provide?
Well, we have offices in Maryville and Knoxville, but the easiest way to find us is online, probably at our website, which is vermillion.law. And anyone, of course, is welcome to call our office at any time. Our number is 865-233-3353, and my staff would be very happy to guide them to wherever they need to be for their education or their help.
Well, thank you so much for joining us today, and for all you do in the community. That's absolutely huge. So thank you guys.
You're very welcome. Thank you.
Be sure to watch Living East Tennessee weekday mornings at 10 on WATE 6 on your side.